So hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install a VPN in FireStick CB. So guys, if you want to install the VPN in your FireStick CB, so guys, it is very simple. So guys, first of all you can go to your App Store. Okay, so guys, you can go here and here you can see the App Store. So guys, after getting your App Store, so guys, here you can see there is a search option, and in the search option you can click select search. Then here you can speak VPN. So guys, if your remote is supported the Alexa, so here is one. So guys, here is your Express VPN. So you can click on that and you can click here to install. So you can click on this link and you can wait for the few seconds. It is downloading, and after that you can it automatically install it in your system. Okay, so guys, you can wait for the few seconds. So guys, now it's showing installing, so you can wait. So guys, now your VPN is installed, so you can click on the open button and your Express VPN is ready to run in your FireStick. Okay, so guys, I try to show you some features of the Express VPN, so you can wait. Okay, so guys, first of all, if you are the new user, so you can click on the new one and you can sign in. So here you can create your account and scan with your phone and also use the code of this one to install and use your Express VPN in your FireStick. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.